Candidates, welcome to my talk. Today I want to discuss 8 things to do during the national examination. The first thing to do, you will be given an answer sheet. You'll be given a question paper. Think that I want you to know about the answer sheet. Your answer sheet will come pre-printed. Pre-printed means that it will have your details on it. What are the details I'm talking about? I'm talking about the index number to class 8, assessment number to grade 6, the name of your school, and your full name. These 3 things are very important, so you don't really need to struggle writing the names. All the details are there. So your answer sheet will come with all the details as I have said. Now, with that in mind, that what is your role? Your role at this moment, when you receive the answer sheet, it is to confirm that the answer sheet that you have been given indeed is yours. The details that are printed on that answer sheet are yours. They are spelled correctly. Should you found maybe your name has been misspelled, or sometime maybe there is an error, human is an error, so sometime please do not panic. It is normal. They were rectified because you will be communicated to the invigilator and the supervisor, so they will be able to inform the NEC, and the NEC will be able to correct, and you receive your certificate with the correct details. So don't worry, don't panic. First, we've said first, before you do anything, confirm your answer sheet if it is yours. Number 2, the answer sheet is dominantly white in color, so you know what you're about 8. It's very sensitive to that, so just keep your answer sheet clean as you have been given. If you have gotten, maybe you want to erase, use the quality eraser or rubber. So do not use eraser or a rubber that is going to leave maybe to dirtify your answer sheet, to put some marks and so on. Also, try to precise and accurate during answering the question, so that you don't end up with a lot of rubbing. Maybe you dirtify the answer sheet. You can also remember, there is one thing to remember here. You can also be suspected, maybe you have been involving in irregularity because of rubbing and so on. So just be accurate and minimize anything to do with rubbing. Number 3, after identify your correct answer, I want you to listen to this because this is very important. After identify your correct answer from the question paper, transfer the answer directly, immediately to your answer sheet, immediately. So do not wait until you are finished everything, because I know sometimes students or learners are normally coached by the teachers. They told them that answer all the questions from number 1 up to the last, then you transfer after that. But to me, I'm advising you people, immediately you've gotten your answer, please transfer your answer. The importance of transferring your answer immediately and directly to the answer sheet is that improve the accuracy, it minimize the confusion, it save time, because assume that you, by answering all the question, then in 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and the invigilator is giving you a few minutes to check up, to round up, to just check up and check if you have written all the answers, you might be panicking. You want to start transferring you are already panicking. So the moment you are panicking, you will start transferring the wrong answer because of confusion. Remember what? Just one mistake is enough to cause you a lot of problem, or particularly in examination. So I would advise that the moment you have identified your answer, for example, it is choice B, transfer it directly to your answer sheet. If your answer from the question number 18, the choice is D, please go and mark there on your answer sheet. Number 4, marking on the answer sheet is done by drawing, marking your answer sheet is done by drawing dark line. I'm talking about after, when you're transferring your answer. How do you do it? Mark by drawing a dark line. This dark line must be drawn using the quality pencil. The quality pencil. For example, mostly we are advised to buy HP pencil. On the pencil, ensure that the pencil is not very sharp, because it is very sharp, the line will likely to be thin. So if you are ready, you need to draw that line and repeat it once, twice, thrice until it becomes dark. Remember, this is drawing a line, not shading. Drawing a line, not shading. Ensure that you choose only one correct answer. In national exam, there is no two choices. It's only one choice. It's only one choice. There is no day that you will have a question with the two answers. Just mark one correct answer. And something else, mark the right inside the provided box. There is a small box that you have to mark your answer. You don't shade, but you draw a line and you make sure it is dark. Do not mark outside the box. Another point, another key point, do not mark outside the box. There is a small box there, just on a mark there within that particular box. I want you to believe that all of us, all the students, do find time and go through examples that you have been given there on front page of the question paper. It is very important. You have to check how to mark. Look at the examples given. Do not assume it. Look at it, how they have been marked. Then from there, you just also try. It is very important for you to follow a set of instruction given. Is very, very important. Number 5, do not mark any other marks outside the box. So please only put inside the box. No mark should be done. So put it inside. You know, sometimes when you are answering question, you come across with like a question that is quite challenging, and you feel like maybe you don't know. You want to revisit after doing some few questions later. So it is very important not to mark on the answer sheet. Please put a star on the question paper, not on the answer sheet. I repeat, do not mark any mark, either star, a tick, a cross on the question paper, on the answer sheet. Please mark on the question paper so that you can be able to revisit. If you got a mark, any mark on the question paper, as I have said. So number 6, do not fold your answer sheet. They must be straight. Leave it as it clean and it is plain and straight as you find it. Please do not fold your answer sheet. I'll repeat, do not fold your answer sheet. Let it remain the way it was, straight, clean. Make sure there is no folding that answer sheet. Number 7, create at least a few minutes to confirm that if you have transferred the right answer from your question paper to the answer sheet. This is going to be very important for you to even identify the question that perhaps you have skipped in the process of answering your question. So it is very important you take just a few minutes and go through, you check if you have answered all the question. Number 8, answer all the questions, include those that you are not sure. No question should go unanswered. Whether you are not sure of it, just go ahead and maybe you can guess. You can also guess. There is no problem. If you feel you don't know, just you can guess it, then you go on. So there is no question should be left without answered. So it is very important when you receive your answer sheet to be careful, because it's an important document in your life. It might cost you a lot if you mess with that answer sheet.